Hey girls, so we just got in the Ojipan Pandas, and they're these cute little pandas dressed in these cute little suits. So it has a black tie and black pants, and here's the back. It has licensing, and it comes with this cute little tail. I thought it was so cute. So as you can see, it is very slow rising, very squishy. It has a silver ball chain, and it also comes with a tag. You can see. They come in two different styles. So they have the mustache, and it also this one comes with just a regular face. Like I said, they're very squishy. So if you like any of these squishies, then you can go check out SillySquishies.com. Thanks!